Margaret, this is the jasmine oil, one of my favorite products. I'm going to show you how to use it without making your hair greasy and heavy by the end of the day. It has so many different results that you can use on dry and on wet hair. Okay, the first things you do, you drop 2 or 3 drops on your hands. Distribute the product evenly everywhere. Where do you want to go? You want to go on the side of your finger wall. You tilt your hair on the side, start from the bottom, just using your hands as a comb, just to let the product travel from the roots through the end, basically an inch and a half from the roots. And then you keep doing the same thing on the opposite side. Then take the comb and evenly brush through it. Okay, now that we have the product everywhere, I'm gonna go for the next step, which will be a blow dry. Every time you do blow dry, a lot of people goes back and forth, back and forth. What I want you to do is, once you place the brush, just one movement, just the blow dry, just following the section. What I want you to do, just to give it a couple strokes of blow dry in a brush with the cold air. It will lock the cuticle in place, it will add more shine. I always pass my hands, because if I will pass the brush, I will make your hair frizzy. With the heat of my palm, I will soothing your hair and calm down, so you will have a better control of your frizz. Okay, Meg, this is what I want you to do. You see in the middle, there's a little flyaway, a little breakage, 2 drops. Okay, so you see I have oil right on those 2 fingers. I'm gonna use this as my tools to control the little flyaway that we have on the front. Never on top, no. Just tilt on the side and start to brush your hair gently. Be nice with your hair.